welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got these twists with some springy twist Marley hair-ish expressions hair. So this is the hair that I used. If you guys can see it, I got it from the beauty supply store. I don't remember the price. I got it in a 1B. Mind you, the ends of my hair are still brown, slightly brown, but for the most part it matched. You guys are gonna see that I pre-parted my hair before I started. It made it way easier and the process was less harsh because your girl don't know how to part. So I asked my mama to freaking part my hair, and this was the result. They're not that long. They're like probably, I'll say like mid back, almost touching my butt. But I mean, I don't really like long hair. The parts are pretty good in the back, in my opinion. I don't like the front because I did the front of my hair, like the top, and these 4 braids right here did not come out. But we live and we move on. So let's get right into the video. Like I said, I started off by parting my hair. As you can see, I've already gotten like halfway done with the braids. I decided to go with like big parts because, like I said, I'm a natural, but I'm lazy. So the hair itself is 24 inches. I started by separating it so that I can like get it a little bit more fluffed, because I didn't want that like put together twist look. Like I want it to be like a little distress in a way, kind of like faux locks but twist. I separated my hair, then I combed it out just to get the knots out, because I didn't blow out my hair for this look because I was too lazy. I used my Aunt Jackie curl maintenance moisturizer, I guess you can call it, you know, just to moisturize my hair, comb it back out. Yeah. So I just bought a new gel. It's this Marley's Edgewax. It's 100% Australian beeswax. Just to test it out. I'll give y'all an update. But this is me starting the process. So I'll first like braid my hair like a regular box braid first. A couple braid down, like, you know, braid it down a little bit, and then I'll start twisting, as you can see. Alright, so when I get to the ends of my hair, it'll look like this. So I'll just divide the larger piece into half, and then I'll just add the smaller piece and then just continue twisting. Honestly, that's just the easiest way for me, at least. But nah, on a serious note, if y'all haven't already, y'all should definitely watch Elite on Netflix. That show is so good. Like, not gonna lie, I was definitely watching it while I was doing my hair. Okay, we starting to look like Jacquees. We almost done. Let's really get into it, how I did this, and it looks a little decent without having to blow dry my hair. Alright, so this is what y'all all been waiting for. Let's see the back. Okay, okay. Let's see the side. Okay, okay. Not too bad. If you reach the end of this video, you a real one. So maybe you should subscribe. Maybe you should like. Maybe you should comment. Comment some video ideas that I could do. And I got y'all. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Like, duh.